Hello, welcome to our new lecture on ABBYY FlexiCapture, and today we'll be learning about character strings. So if you guys see here in the add element, we have character string as an element. We'll learn how to use this. So suppose you want to find out the number written here, and this like the text present here is very dynamic. So someday it's like CHF, and on another day it's like ABC, and on another day it's like DEF. So it can be anything. So you can't make it as a labeled field, because for the label and the field we need to have something that is constant. But if it's a dynamic or a variable one, then it becomes hard. So in that case, we use character string. So how we'll do it? Firstly, we'll try to reach to this position, and then we'll extract this. So for reaching this position, we can make use of this thing. So due date is something that will not change. The value can change, but the label never. So we'll extract the due date, and then we create a relation to this field, and then we create a new relation to this. So let's get started. So I'm in the search elements. I click here, make it as a label field right in the center, and I know that this is something going to be date with day, month, and year. Click OK. Let's just check this out, and ABBYY is recognizing this. Now we'll reach to this thing by creating a character string. Let's name it character string 1, and I know that this is something that will all be the alphabets, so I can make it from A to Z, and then I'll add a relation that this is to the right of the field, and let's just apply. So as you know that this is something that we are doing in relations, so we have to use this, and if you see, it's recognizing this. But if we add it to nearest to the field, apply, and click match, now it has taken me to this field. Now this, which is a random one which changes every day or every week, this we have identified. And now we need to go to the last step. We create another character string. Let's name it 2. We know that this is something that's going to be numbers only, so we say 0 to 9. We can have dots here. Click OK. Go to relations and write off my character string, add relation, and nearest to my character string. Apply, click OK. Just do a check here, and we have this. So character strings are helpful when you don't have something as static to find out. So in case if there's a new invoice and there it comes like ABC here, then also it will first find out this character string, and then it will find out this number. So this becomes like dependent ones. Okay, and for the blocks part, you can simply go and add a text block and simply like check this one, it's character string 2, which these are the these help us to get to this one. Due date and character string 1, these helped us to get to this. So we don't require this as an output, we simply require character string 2 as an output, and that's all for it. Thanks everyone.